Okay, so for our second section of the tutorial, we need to figure out, we've got a couple of different tools in our toolbar up here. Right now we have our show, and that is what we actually use when we are showing our presentations in service. Then we have our edit layer right here where we can get into our slides and we can change what the slides say. Reflow is a tool, like for instance, we have this long prayer that can't all fit on one slide. So if I copy and paste it all onto one slide, I can use my Reflow tool to input a slide break where it was not before. So if I go down here to slide break, you can see it's going to break that into a separate a separate slide. So that's what that does. Bible, we can ignore that. We don't really use that. We pretty much put anything, we usually put that in by hand. And then we have a couple of different things up here that'll become more important down the line. We have the only one of these that I usually use is theme editor, and we'll talk about that more in a separate video. But theme, so basically, like all of these presentations that we've created with different themes that we use for certain things. Like for instance, this theme right here is just our common presentation theme. I can change all the themes if I go up here to this sidebar, but I can also right click on any slide and I can change the theme from this right click toolbar right here. So right here you'll see 2026. That is where we find our presentation slides, and then we have our lyric slides that are inconveniently in this folder called Taze, but we usually use the 2026 lyric bottom for those slides. So that is all of our tools in a nutshell, and we'll move on to the third part of our tutorial.